Hello everyone. In this video we are going to watch how to make realistic photo studio in miniature version. Let's get into this video. This is SKS miniature. Make it simple but significant. Used 15" by 16" foam board as a platform. Provided some base supports to elevate the platform from ground level. I am using bamboo sticks as a supporting posts. Made some 3 cm size sticks for truss members, or also known as internal supports. Used those 3 cm sticks as internal supports. As you can see, I repeated those steps for all 4 sides. Also increased the size of 2 sticks about 15 mm to attach another segment. This is a complete profile of segments. Also I made 2 of them. Now it's time to get into the most interesting section, which is lighting. I use 12-watt white LED for lights. I did the lighting softbox using foam board. To control intensity of light, I used tissue papers. Then a tripod for lighting by using bamboo sticks. You may wonder, why did I make 3 different types of light? Because every photo studio should have key light, fill light and background light to get professional output. You can see what I mean by that in my final output. I made some attachment for base support, backdrop support and background light support. Attach those posts to the platform by using quick fix glue. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you can have notification for all my upcoming videos. Attach the electric wires to the platform that can supply current to all the lights. And I gathered all those wires in backside of the platform, which will have main control in the next video. So stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching my video.